What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Well, today we unbox the MI insulated water bottle, and it's by Xiaomi. I know Xiaomi has made a couple of good products. Most of you have Xiaomi products in your, could be your kitchen, could be your car. Anyway, possibly, I believe some of you have got Xiaomi products. So today we are reviewing and unboxing the Xiaomi insulated stainless steel bottle. Yeah. In case you need to keep your water cold or warm, once you put anything in here, if it's cold, it's going to stay cold. If it's hot, it's going to stay hot. Alright? So, let's unbox it together. Hope you're ready for this. Alright, so it comes in white. I hope you can see that. And it's around 480 milliliters. Yeah? So the one we have is white. It comes in both white and black. Alright, so let's open it up. Now when you look at the packaging, the box is very simple and easy. We have illustrators here. The first image says simple and easy disassembly. Tea strainer, in case you have some tea bags or some tea inside there, there's a strainer for that. And thermal insulation. That means if you pour in hot water or cold water, it's going to stay the way you put it in. Alright, if you put hot water in there, you're going to open it up and the water will still be hot. If you pour in cold water, it's still going to be cold. And I believe it could take you around maybe the whole day or maybe 2 days, roughly. Alright, so it costs around, probably around 30 something, could be 32, between 32 and $35. Yeah, okay. Anyway, let's get into the box. So this is what the box looks like. Let's get into the box. Oh, let me see, where is that? Okay. I think I need a knife for this. Hold on a bit. Alright, we are back. So, where is that? So let's put this in here slightly, just like this. Alright, so let's get into the box. How many of you love Xiaomi products? Alright, so the first thing on top is this. Can you see that? Okay, so we have this on top. I don't know, probably this could be the date of manufacture. I'm not so certain about that. What else do we have on top? Okay. So this must be the water bottle, and we have some leaflet inside here. You have a leaflet. It's probably the user manual or the user guide. You could call it whatever you feel like. Okay. Is that clear enough? This is a real big leaflet with a whole lot of info. Okay, let's just go to this. This is more standard, alright? Anyone's gonna understand this. So you have the water bottle, you have the ring, and this is the strainer, the cover, and this is a safety lock. Okay, you can see that. And how to disassemble and clean. Probably you'll need this to disassemble. You'll need to go through this so you can know how to disassemble and clean your bottle, because you're definitely gonna need to clean it. Alright, you're gonna need to clean it up. You don't want to have your bottle dirty or stained with something that's gonna make you sick or what. You need to keep it clean. Okay, so this is the standard case. This is standard casing. I love the wrapping. Alright, so this is the bottle. This is the Xiaomi stainless steel bottle, vacuum bottle. So according to the packaging, there is a lock somewhere here. So I believe our water bottle is locked. If you see this red dot, it means the water bottle is not locked. So it's locked, you see? So if it's locked, no one's gonna open it, or you're not gonna open it by mistake. So you need to turn this lock just like that. So when you press it, it opens up. See that? Okay. So this is the water bottle. Do not overfill the bottle when adding water. To avoid scalding, pay attention to the water temperature when drinking. Oh, they are definitely warning you. Meaning, if you pour in hot water and not take note when you're drinking it, it's gonna burn your lips. So be careful when you're drinking. It's gonna keep your water as hot as you pour it inside. Alright? So make sure you're careful when you're drinking your water. It's pretty strong. It's pretty strong. Well, Xiaomi has come up with plenty of good products in the market right now. It's one of those companies that are trying to provide good products at affordable prices. Let's try to open this up. Oh, hold on a bit. Oh, there's a strainer in there. Hope you can see that. Alright, let's open it up. So this is what you have. This is what you have. A standard stainless steel vacuum. And you have your strainer here. This is your strainer, in case you want to put some tea bags or any tea, so you'll have a clear sip. It's pretty standard, but actually nice. I like the engineering. This could be silicone, I'm not so certain, but it is a good look. It is a good look. Tell me, what do you think about this bottle? What do you think about the Xiaomi bottle? You're gonna buy it? Are you willing to spend about $32 to $35 on it? Or you're gonna stick to your generic water bottle? Actually, I do believe they're all the same, but not much difference apart from the logo. But probably this is a much better one. I'm actually gonna carry this for a while and see what it feels like. Well, I actually recommend it. I recommend it. Alright, let's go back to the manual and see how to disassemble. Alright. So now this is where the manual comes in. Okay? Because I've tried disassembling it by myself, and it seems to be a little difficult. Okay? How to disassemble. Alright? So the first step is it clear? So this is the first step. Okay. Okay. Open the upper lid, release the bottle. All you need to do is just pull this. Do a little shaking and it will be out. It will be off rather. So that's all you need to do. So when you want to put it back, this is what you're gonna do when you're cleaning your bottle. This is what you're gonna do when you're cleaning your bottle, because you really need to clean your bottle by yourself. Okay? Don't give it to nobody to clean it for you. Alright? Just to be sure. So you're gonna get this, put it back, slide it down, like that. Okay, make sure all these are aligned, then snap your lock back down and just turn this right, clockwise rather, and you're good to go. All right, so when you put in your water, make sure you lock this. Make sure you lock this. Make sure you lock it like that, so in case if someone presses it unknowingly or accidentally, your bottle is not gonna open up. All right, so in case you want to drink, just flip the switch like that and press it open. Once you press, it's gonna open by itself. When you're done drinking, you're gonna press that and slide this lock. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. I hope this video was helpful to you. In case you need to buy the Xiaomi water bottle, I hope this was very helpful. If you found this informative or helpful, you could share the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out on the next video. Okay, I guess I'll be out for now. All right, catch you in the next video. It was good having you around. Peace.